The story of Naftali Mocha.
Naftali Mocha.
Naftali Mocha.
Unaanza kupanda.
So let me show you how we harvest using this combined harvester. On the ground. Wow. So how long have you been doing this? How long have you been doing?
3 years.
3 years now. It must be enjoyable. Wow. once you harvest, ikifika how many bags ndio unajua imejaa. So once it's 50 bags, you know it's full. Wow. And all those that you can see, they are supposed to be coming before us or after us. After the machine, then they collect the remaining ones. All these people you can see there. We are doing 60 acres of harvesting using this combined harvest. Ndio?
Yeah.
So I'm here with the driver, and he has agreed to do a small interview. So maybe let's start by knowing him. Maybe sir, what's your good name?
Dennis Yagon.
Dennis?
Yagon.
Dennis Yagon.
Yeah.
Ah, Dennis Yagon. So do you enjoy doing this thing?
Yeah, I really enjoy it.
You really enjoy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see you are saying it seems so enjoyable. So how long have you been doing this?
Now this for 3 years.
3 years now.
Yeah.
Ah, wow. Is this something that is easy to drive, or is it complex?
No, it's very easy to drive.
Very, very easy.
Yeah.
So like now, what are you holding there?
Holding on the control unit system.
That is the control unit system.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. So how much does this machine use as fuel? How does it consume fuel?
Consumption is very high on diesel.
Very high consumption.
Yeah.
Diesel or petrol?
Diesel.
Diesel.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I ask you, what are those? The sharp endings?
Those are corn dividers.
They call?
Corn dividers.
Oh, so those are the corn dividers.
Yeah.
Corn dividers. Okay.
Yeah.
And the metal that is going around?
That is the feeder chain.
That's a feeder chain. That metal, the one that you can see, that's the light green or yellow.
That's the auger.
Eh?
Auger.
Organ. Auger.
Yeah.
Okay. So maybe you can explain how does it work. So it collects the maize, then
The corn dividers.
the corn dividers.
The corn into rows. Then it directs it to the gathering chains.
Gathering chains. Where are the gathering chains?
The ones there.
Oh, okay, down there.
Yeah.
Then
The auger.
the organ, the yellow.
The auger, yeah.
The auger.
The auger brings them to at the center.
At
the center.
At the center.
Yeah. Then there is a feeder chain.
Feeder chain.
It feeds it on to the rotor.
Rotor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then the rotor now threshes.
Threshes them.
Yes.
Okay.
Now threshes. Then it gets into the sieves, the blower.
Okay.
And the data now, the chaff and the others, and the corn are separated on the sieves.
Okay.
Then they are now brought into the collecting grain tank.
So this is the collecting?
The collecting grain tank.
grain, or this is the grain tank.
Yeah.
Guys, you can see the grain tank is almost getting full. So what is the capacity of this grain tank?
50 bags
50 bags
of 90 kgs.
of 90 kgs.
Yeah.
Wow, so you can see this what we've done already, and we are proceeding. Wow, wow, you're gone. Hey, this it really looks like so enjoyable.
Yeah.
I don't mind that if you give me a chance.
Yeah. They'll give me a chance.
So he has agreed to give me a chance so that I can drive this thing.
Yeah.
Wow. What are these?
This is now the control panel for the combine.
The control panel.
Yeah.
So this is the control panel. So what does it help you with?
Yeah, it can show you maybe on the battery voltage,
Okay.
the fuel,
Temperature,
engine
metric
RPM,
voltage.
yeah, the rotor revolution per minute.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, very technical terms. Hey, okay. Wow. So guys, I can't wait to drive this machine for you guys. Yeah, so keep watching this channel. Today we are harvesting 60 acres of corn, and I'm here with the driver, Mr. Yagon Dennis. Thank you, bro, for the information.
Okay.
I'm just waiting for you to give me the steering so that I can also feel the so that I can feel happy and experience.
Let's
Yeah.
see when the roads are in good lines.
Oh yeah.
Get to give you.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, as the machine is harvesting, we also have people are following this machine, also collecting what is remaining inside. So these are the ones who are collecting. They are collecting the remnants because the machine doesn't remove all. Like in percentage, this machine collects like how much percentage? 95 or 90?
Say like 90.
90. So the machine can only collect 90 because as you can see there are some maize which are so ground.
Because when they put rows,
Yeah.
I think it collects almost maybe around 95 or 98.
Oh, so when it's well arranged, when the maize are well arranged in rows, it collects almost 98%.
Yeah.
But now because there are other maize which are meandering, and maybe others on the ground, so that's why we have to have people who will help us collect. Yeah. So he's actually checking on the maize. Before he can drop them. So, and here people are making them ready. So once he's going to pour here, and then from here they'll be put into bags. Yeah, so they're preparing on the ground where they're going to pour the maize. Heavy machines. So you are ready to pour now? So okay, you tell me. Harvest, but with very high moisture content, very high moisture content. So which means, yeah,
It's more than 13%.
I don't know how to check on the percentage. Yeah, but
Yeah.
you can.
I can.
This is like how many percent
Around 24%.
moisture content?
Yeah, and the required one is 13% according to period.
Ah,
Yeah. So we have to dry.
So it should be how many? Which percentage?
13.
13.
Recommended one.
And this one is how many?
Around 24.
Around 24.
So twice.
So 13 is recommended.
Yeah.
Wow.
So it must be here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. So these are over 50 bucks per what?
Per machine.
Oh yeah, per this machine.
Yeah, it carries 50 bucks.
These are 50 bucks capacity.
90 kg.
90 kg bucks, yeah. 90 kg bucks, 50 of them. Sawa sawa. Nashikilia wapi?
Shikilia tu hata hiyo mlango.
Sawa.
Hata ukikaa chini. Sawa, kaa hivyo.
Sawa.
Shika magoti. Hatua ukirokoti namna hiyo inaonyesha.
John Gira.
Naona imejaa karibu. Ukipenduka namna hii unamulika hapa.
Hapa unaitwa nani?
Naitwa William Denai.
William
Denai.
Denai. Umefanya hii kazi miaka ngapi?
Ya kuvuna mahindi ama ngano?
Ya kuvuna.
Ya kuvuna ni mwaka 30.
30 years.
Yes.
So Tanai has been working on this field for 30 years. Both maize and wheat. Ndio? Ngano.
Yeah.
30 good years. Okay. Nice. Kila mauti.
Elimu mapema. Elimu mapema yote. Kama mwezi gani?
So this one is 25 bags capacity. So it's not going to drop the corn or the maize. So let me take you there. Pega o assim. Jamani kechure. The next day. Hello my YouTube family. Today is the third day of this harvest and we are harvesting maize. What you can see, that is over 60 acres of maize that have been harvested. You can see from that end and then to that end, over 60 acres of corn or maize has been harvested. And normally in Africa, when you do harvest, you harvest with the machine, large scale, that is the combined harvester. And then there are people who follow you from behind when you're harvesting, and they help to collect the maize that has been left behind by the machine, because sometimes when it's harvesting, there's some maize that remains, so they help to collect the one that is remaining. And then now, after everything is done with the harvest, and then there are people who come to just help themselves, not stealing, but they just come to collect even the small pieces of maize, so that they can also go and sell, and it's for free. It's normally called Maragoto. So people come to Rokota to collect. So all those people you are seeing there, they've come to Rokota or collect any remaining pieces of maize then they take to sell, or even they take to eat with their families. Yeah, so today being the third day, so there's what we call drying of maize. So we are done with harvesting. What you can see there, let me just go near to this machine. That is a dryer. So what you can see, that's a dryer. So maize is being loaded to the dryer to dry it, as you can see. Let me show you. So it's being run by the tractor. Then with the dryer, it uses diesel. Grains dryer, maize, beans, millet, sorghum, wheat. Yeah. So this is where they put maize, and then it's loaded, it's filled to the brim. They dry. So they are now loading in fuel. They are fueling the machine. So this is a 100 bags capacity per hour. So it can do 100 per hour, 100 bags. 190 kg bags or sacks. Fueling.
Ngoja nani.
So you're on diesel.
Diesel.
So maybe nikikuuliza, ina operate, how does it operate?
Vile una operate mpaka ukisa start your stinger.
Yes.
PTO first.
PTO,
You suck you load the tank.
The tank,
100 bags.
Okay.
Then after that, you put the burner.
The burner on.
Yeah, the burner on.
Where is the burner?
The burner is in this.
What is the burner? Okay. And then?
So the burner will suck the fuel from this one.
Yes.
The common rail.
Okay.
That's a common rail. When we have the sensor here.
A sensor.
The sensor.
Yes.
This is throwing the fuel
Okay.
to the burner. If you start the burner,
Yes.
the current from the electrical
Yes.
on the other side
Yes.
comes to the
Burner.
from the current to the burner.
Yes.
The burner through the current to the
Okay.
jiko.
Okay.
Wow. We will see it.
Yeah, we shall see practically. What are they doing now?
They are fueling the machine.
Hii karatasi ni nani? Oh, they want to cover the on the top?
Kama yani wanafuia nini upepo.
Oh, people. Oh, okay.
The burner,
Oh, this is the burner.
the start of the burner.
Okay.
And if the temperature is okay,
Yes.
you set the temperature.
Okay.
The limit temperature.
It should be
This is maize should be 70
70 degrees.
or 60
60 degrees.
temperature. Product temperature.
Okay.
Then this is the air temperature,
Okay.
which is built with the jiko.
Okay.
From the jiko, so the sensor
Yes.
is levelize the temperature.
Okay. Oh,
The
so
sensor.
it will levelize on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yani hizo temperature ikigo on, yani sensor inarudisha
Ina neutralize.
ina neutralize.
Okay.
Ikienda mingi haistahili ende mingi, hata hiyo mahindi inastahili isichomeke.
Oh.
Kama ine bado still inasapanda.
So how do you ensure you are not going to roast the maize but just drying?
This depends with the setting of the
Temperature. Okay.
I'll set it to the 70 in this.
Kuna zile zinataruka.
kontroliwa na jiko.
Okay.
Sasa jiko fan from the jiko the
Fan. Okay.
fan through the air to the tank.
The tank. Okay.
Product tank.
Wow. And let me ask you, how much is this machine? How much do you think it's worth?
What?
Iko na pesa ngapi kununua? Hii machine yote ni ya pesa ngapi?
About ilikuwa 6 million.
6 million. 6 Kenyan million.
Kenya.
6 million Kenyan shillings. Wow, that's good. At least now we know. Okay. And what's your name? Otieno Jackson Odhiambo. Otieno Odhiambo. Okay. Thank you so much. I can't wait to record on how it's working. How it works.
Let us start, then we will record.
So, thank you. rotating and drying the maize. Exhaust.
Karibia tu. Hata mpaka hiyo kiki kuwe red. Kuwa red, sasa ile sensor ndio itakuwa na control. Kuwa green, sasa hii manager wako down.
So it must be red hot. Red hot.
Presa ya mafuta. Presa gauge ya mafuta. Ukiona sasa imekuwa maximum, sasa hiyo ndio ikisafika hapo katikati
Yeah.
inaanza kutupa moto. Kuhakisha bana pale. Kama hii presa ikikuja ujue sasa mafuta imekuwa sawa sawa. Kama imechamshwa, ikitulia kwa baridi.
So anaenda kufanya nini pale juu?
Ataonyesha ile maiti alafu tupige hii nini juu. Hiyo mkono yake juu. Alafu tupindue mkono.
So inamwaga kwenda huko. So now the maize is dry and they want to pour it onto the surface.
Mkono hivi ndani.
Kama unataka kama moto bado iko juu, kama umefinya hivi unaona itawanyika, unaona inatawanyika.
Okay.
Hata akili yangu haiko. Ilikuwa tu tuweke mahema.
Najua shida niko nayo, kwa mtu anataka mahindi gunia 600.
Harvest. After harvest is loading. Bags are full and now it's loading.